Good morning. This is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather outlook for Thursday, December the 29th, 2016. Starting out with the current radar loop, we are watching a low pressure and associated cold frontal boundary tracking through the northeastern portions of the U.S. and then down through the southeast and into the Gulf of Mexico. Throughout most of the U.S., however, we're seeing high pressure dominating with some isolated showers, rain showers and snow showers moving into the Pacific Northwest. And if we switch on the current temperatures, we can pick out that frontal boundary pretty well, even if we didn't have the radar. You can see the temperatures back behind it are in the 50s, and then down south of it, we're still in the 70s here in Florida. Back up into the northern plains and out west, we're seeing some single digits to negative temperatures out through the Rockies and 20s to 30s throughout most of the rest of the country. And our outlook for today is looking not too bad. We are expecting to see these thunderstorms to continue to push southeastward through the U.S. and behind that we are expecting some cooler air to push down into the region. Not looking for anything particularly severe today, however, associated with these storms. Moving up to the northeast, you can see we've got a pretty good amount of snowfall happening across New York State and entering up into the New England region. We expect to see that to continue today. There's winter storm warnings out for pretty much the entire area through there today. Switching over to the snowfall map for the next 24 hours, we're looking at some pretty large amounts. All these yellow areas here from eastern Vermont up into Canada is greater than a foot of snow in the forecast. So we are going to see lots of snow on the ground up there. These red areas back in New York State, we're looking for anywhere from 6 to 8 up to 10 inches. So if you're in that area, get your snow shovels ready and stay warm. And just for an update on something I touched on yesterday, we are still tracking a potential strong winter storm moving through most of the U.S. and especially down for the southern half of the U.S. starting around January the 4th to the 5th. But this image I've got here on the screen for you is the afternoon of January the 6th, and what we're looking at is a pretty decent chance for some snow from North Carolina all the way out into eastern New Mexico, and a small area of some freezing rain and ice down to the southern end of that through Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama, and it is going to be cold. Again, this is still very early in the process and things are developing, but we will definitely be keeping an eye on it and keeping you informed. And that's your outlook for today. Hope you have a great weather day wherever you are, and please be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and most accurate weather information available.